Okay, so I had taken this trade, and how I took this trade in daily time frame. I went in daily time frame, and let's do this. Okay, this one is yesterday. In daily time frame, the market was bullish, so I went then into 4 hour market, and in 4 hours there was this. So I was going to take a long position, but then there was a huge market drop, and then again I was looking for long position. So here, after a huge drop in 1 hour, so basically I was about to take a long position from this fair value gap, but then I missed it, and then this liquidity was swept, and then from 15 minutes you can see there was a this huge gap, and here was also this fair value gap, and I had marked this low, this liquidity, and there was another liquidity. So then after this I went in 5 minutes, and from 5 minutes from this fair value gap, after the confirmation that the trend is trend will go bullish, got this fair value gap, and from this fair value gap I entered the trade. So I entered the trade, and my initial take profit was just here, that is just 2 RR. I could have kept it here, but just increase a little bit here to make my RR 2, and my stop loss right here. So then it went and hit my take profit, but I didn't exit. And then my next take profit target, I kept my next take profit target in 15 minutes to uh, around this area. So and then my stop loss, I kept my stop loss in this area here, right here. I kept my stop loss. Then I should have exited here because of this fair value gap. Also, I was here that the price will come to this fair value gap. That's why I taken this order. But then I didn't exit. I didn't take my profit, and then the price came down, and then just exited here, which is like just break even.